Stop wasting your time writing code line by line. Let me show you how to build a professional website interface, like this one, in less than a minute. Open any AI tool you prefer and type this prompt. Using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, design a modern burger website header featuring a top bar with quick links, a centered logo with brand name Burger, a navigation menu and CTA buttons, order now, sign in, with a search bar, all of them next to each other. Use black background and smooth hover effects for a clean, user-friendly interface. Make the design responsive to all screens and separate the code into different files. Wait until the code is ready. Then copy it and paste it into your files.
Perfect.
Now let's move to the next section. Now design the hero section with a black background, headline, subtext, 2 CTA buttons, a burger image with price tag on the right, and simple highlights at the bottom. Add smooth animations, text from left, image from right. Keep the design responsive and clean. Give me the best design you have. Wait until the code is ready. Then copy it and paste it into your files.